Good morning, viewers. Ben here from Sender TV. Today we're out at the ranch. I just wanted to do a short video to show you the track with a few explanations and a bit of commentary. A bit nervous at the moment because I'm standing on a roof that I don't trust has the engineering ability to sustain my somewhat expanding weight. Anyway, let's see how we go. Okay, just gonna go down. There's the start line. Coming down here. Coming into the first corner. Hopefully you can see in the footage there, it's actually a massive berm. When I first built this track it was for the dirt bikes, not the buggy, so that's why there's a big berm there. The buggy can use the berm, but it rips it to pieces, so it leads to too much rebuilding. I've learned to do handbrake turns around there now. It's also the corner where I injured my hand, so yeah, I've made it a lot bigger now, cut some more dirt out and some more grass to get the buggy to be able to rotate a bit better. We come down over the tabletop, heading downhill into another fairly tight corner. It's almost 180 degrees as well. Most of these corners are off camber, which makes it a little bit tricky too. Through another little straight, then an S bend, and then the big right hander, which is a lot of fun. Spent a lot of time sideways on that one. Downhill, you probably can't see how downhill's over the back there where those tyres are. And there's a bit of a hill jump. Turn left, down another valley, then across. We keep going up into finally an on-camber corner on the dam wall. Still coming across. I'll just walk across this dodgy roof to see if I can get a better shot. Of the next corner. You can just see it there past the roof line. It's a fun corner too. And it just comes back onto the main straight again. We do have a bit of a joker lap as well, which I turn around. If you can see the road up the hill there, and it goes up into the front paddock, much more high speed. Not as technical, but just as much fun. I got some buggy footage yesterday on my new GoPro Hero 11, so watch out for that. Remember to like and subscribe and make any comments. Thanks.